Hey guys, so I just made clay slime, as you can see. Little pieces of clay inside here. So basically, I'm just going to show you how to make clay slime. You'll need a white slime or make a white slime out of Elmer's glue. But now I can't find my gallon of Elmer's glue. But you'll need just a fork, to squish the clay that's inside here. But guys, if you want to do clay slime, I really won't recommend it because look, this is how it turned out. It does not feel good at all. Oh, can you stop that? Okay, look. You see, it's not like clay. But yeah, so right now I'm just gonna get my stuff ready to make the clay slime, get my Elmer's glue, my bowl to mix it. Yeah, so see you guys soon.